Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I posted a video, so let's just get on with it and stop waffling. Today I'm going to review for you a selection of the new makeup range by George at Asda. So if you don't know, Asda is a supermarket chain here in the UK. They are owned by Walmart, and I think they're one of the big four supermarkets, and this is the first time that I know of that they have done their own range of makeup. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought all of these with my own money. I hadn't heard or seen any promotion about this at all. I just stumbled across it in in one of my local branches. I am midway between two Asdas, so I go to either one because they have slightly different products, and this makeup range is only available in one of them, so you may not find the George range of makeup in the Asda that's near to you. And I had a look on the website and it doesn't seem to be available on the website either. So this range of makeup is super affordable. They're sort of like Primark prices to give you a comparison. This 7-shade eyeshadow palette I believe was only £4. These lipsticks I think were only £3, and they had a range of nail polishes, and I believe they were only £1.50. If I've got the prices wrong, I'll put a little note up here. So yeah, this 7-shade eyeshadow palette called Glam Eyes in shades of purple, and there's a really nice glittery one there which I'm looking forward to trying. And then I got two lipsticks, one satin in the shade Fierce, which is an orangey red, and then I got a matte lipstick in a nude which is called Cloud 9. So I'm not a makeup reviewing expert or a makeup artist or very good with makeup, so what I'm going to do is just I don't know, I suppose let me start with the lipsticks. So anyway, this is a matte lipstick in Cloud 9. So oh, it is very matte. It feels quite dry straight away. It's this colour is not great for me. It's sort of going on a bit chalkier and a bit peachier and a bit lighter than I thought. It's okay, it's not brilliant, could be worse. So yeah, that was Cloud 9. That's the matte. I don't know, it is really matte. If you like a matte lipstick, it's okay. Okay, so now I am going to try the second lipstick, which is satin lipstick in the colour Fierce. This is an orangey red. Part of the reason I chose these colours was that a lot of the makeup was already sold out, so I didn't have a great choice. And that feels really nice. Oh, wow, that is really vibrant. I have gone a bit and just touch it up. That is really bright and it feels really nice and silky. I would definitely buy that. Yeah, if you're looking for a really bold lipstick, I would definitely recommend this. Satin, I would definitely go for this over the matte. I didn't like that at all, but the colour is great. Yeah, I really like that colour. What do you think? So yeah, I'm quite pleased with this shade. I'm going to leave this on while I do my eyes. We can see how sort of long wearing it is. I know you're supposed to do your lips last, but screw it. I'm not a professional makeup artist, and well, this is the way I've decided to do it. So I guess the next thing to do will be to swatch the eyeshadow palette. Apologies if you hear meowing in the background. My cat is trying to get in and I can't let her in because she just causes chaos. And last time I let her in while I had my camera out on a tripod, she knocked it over and smashed my lens, and I had to pay £90 to get a new one. So no, she's not allowed in while filming. She says she just sits outside being a giant pain in the bum. There you go. So can you see that a bit better without the light reflecting off the case? So these are really, really pretty. Sorry, dirty hand. Right, so we'll start with this one here. Ooh, that is not a powder, that is oily. So that is like a cream. I was not expecting that at all. This one, that is creamy as well. Can you see those? These are more like highlighters. I would definitely say these two large ones are more highlighter than eyeshadow because they are creamy. And look, can you see them on my wrist? Barely. You can just barely see them. Yeah, I would definitely say these are more of a highlighter than an eyeshadow. I should have called it an eye and highlight kit. Okay, so let's try the 4 small squares. So I'm taking that number 1 there. Can you see? That's not bad. Not bad at all. That's 1 swipe. Take the darkest shade here. I'll do a proper swatch in a minute. Then the medium purple. I'm not doing this in a professional manner at all. That one's kind of light. And then this lightest shade here. So there you can see. Can you see? I'll take a photo. I'll take a photo and put that up. So there you can see all the colours. They're quite nice actually. Shimmery, quite pigmented. And the only one left to try now is this glitter one here. So I don't know how this will turn out. Let me just get this makeup off my fingers. And well, that is dry. It just feels rough like glitter. I thought it would be creamy. I thought it would be just a cheap, like a Vaseline with the glitter in it, but it's not. So it's sticking to my damp finger. But it's not going on here, so I guess that you need, it's not really transferring onto my skin, so that, giving it a good rub, it seems to be all glitter. Oh, there we go. You can see a bit better on my arm. Can you see it? Not twisting it right the right way. Hang on. There, can you see that? The first thing I'm gonna do is go into my crease with the dark purple here, the darkest shade. So, wow, that, look at that. That's going on so well. That is really vibrant. once again, not a makeup artist or any good with makeup at all. Oh, there's a lot of fallout. Oh no, I've gone a bit purple. So I'm just going to take it a little bit above the crease. I watched like 10 purple eyeshadow makeup tutorials last night in preparation for this. Look at that colour. That's really, really great. Okay, so this eye is looking a lot better than this eye. Oh my god. And then go all over the lid. That feels really nice. Okay, so my memory card finished and I didn't realise because I was so busy putting on the makeup. My look is almost finished. I took off that red lipstick because it did not match the eyes, and I went with my favourite nude lipstick, which is the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal. It is shade 86 Ginger Bomb. And just in the final stage, trying to apply some of the glitter. Which has gone on surprisingly well. I just used this tiny little detailing brush to pick up some of the glitter from the pan. I also, while the camera wasn't recording, used some of the cream highlighter just there. So you might be able to see a subtle little purple shimmer, and I'm just packing on some of this glitter highlighter halfway along the eyelid. Just like that. Doesn't have to be terribly precise since I've got quite hooded eyes, so that's more than eye. So that glitter actually goes on really well. I'm really pleased with this eye look. So yeah, this is the results. So cue the narcissistic montage.
Break, comes higher and